Hello. Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I'm Nelly. Today we're doing this like pretty fun like purple red eye makeup look. One eye, like different crease color, different lid color for each eye if you haven't noticed. It's faint but it's cute. I like it. I did it like twice and I didn't record it for you guys, so I hope you guys enjoy this video and I will see you in my next clip. So I already primed my face with the e.l.f. Poreless, where is it? The e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer a couple minutes ago because I like to let it set into my skin personally. And now I'm going to use the Lancôme 24-Hour Teint Idole foundation thing in the shade 540 Suede Warm. I'm going to blend it out with my new Real Technique sponge. It's so cute. It has like a new indent on the right. And for concealer and contour today, I'll be using my Kat Von D Lock of Cream Concealer in the shade D35 and the Fenty Beauty Matchsticks in the shade Espresso. And blend it out also with my Real Technique sponge. And I'm going to set my concealer with the Beauty Bakerie Yellow Flower Powder. Okay, so off camera, I did my eyebrows as usual, and I put my eye primer, which is the Urban Decay Eye Primer Potion in the original. And so this is my Renaissance palette by Anastasia, and I'm pretty much, oh I need two of these brushes by the way. I'm pretty much recreating this look I did twice around Christmas. One eye was like pink, one eye was like purple. So we're just gonna do this eye first. Yeah. So in my left eye, I'm gonna put the shades Blonde Fresco, this one, and I believe Love Letter into my crease. Blonde Fresco is a little ashy for me, so I always mix it with Love Letter. I just put on Blonde Fresco first. The ashiness of the purple. That's why you put a little bit of Love Letter on top. It makes like this really pretty color. The other eye, another fluffy brush. We're going to take Red Ochre, the shade Red Ochre over here, and just put that in our right eye crease. And then next up, we're going to take the shade Venetian Red right on top of that for our right eye. If you notice, I'm like bringing some of it down to like my inner corner. I just do that a lot personally. There's no like special reason why. I just do that because there's extra blending around there when I do that for me. Okay, so on a flat stubby brush, by the way, I use just two regular blending brushes. One from ABH Cosmetics Pink Carnival Collection, number 8, and it's by Ray Ray collection with BH, which is number 6. And so like with the big brush like this is a Spectrum A07 brush. On my right eye, I will be grabbing the two shades we put in our crease, Blonde Fresco and Love Letter. If you want like extra bold, put concealer on. I'm not doing that today. I didn't even do my concealer then. I just put this on to see and just pat it onto my lid like you're doing a cut crease, but you're really not. Well, you are cutting the crease just without concealer. I didn't feel like going through the process of putting on concealer, so I did this. And then with this eye primer, you don't really need to worry about that, so you're pretty good. And you just, you know, smack it on. And then since I already have enough brushes to clean in general, I grab the other side of the brush and just grab the two shades we put on our crease, Venetian Red and Red Ochre, and put on our lid on this eye. Call it a day. Like if you want like really, really, really bold, like yeah, put concealer, but I don't really want it really bold today because all I'm doing today is homework and studying for my 2 exams and prepping for my paper that's due after spring break. So I don't really feel like being extra bold. But if I was feeling extra bold, yeah, I'll put concealer on. But like, you see? It's like a reverse eye combo thing that I just did out of nowhere. So we're just gonna put that onto our lid. And I like to pat it on with this brush because it just looks more intense when you pat it on. That's the reason why. There's no other reason why. It just looks more intense when you pat it. And then, of course, with the brushes that you use for that eye, with nothing on it, just keep, just blend out any harsh lines. I attempted to do my eyeliner off camera. One eye always comes out worse than the other, which is why I always still continue on doing my eyeliner off camera, because I am just bad at it. I am. I have no idea if someone's watching me or not. Just randomly record. So I'm just wiping off my bake so I can do my under eye. And for my under eye, I'm gonna grab the same brush, but without any brush cleaner, just like wiping off the excess stuff into like a tissue or something. Literally using the same 2 shades, just in a different way for each eye. So like, guess what I'm doing? Let me actually grab another brush. Actually, for the waterline, I'm going to use Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in the shade Alkaline. The Spectrum A13 brush, which is like a smaller flat stubby brush. And grab the corresponding like crease color for your under eye. So for like this eye, I don't know my camera cut off, but I'm using Blonde Fresco again and Love Letter. These 2 shades with this flat brush. I'm just going to put it on underneath my waterline. For the other eye, with the brush we put on our lid that I just wiped off, I'm gonna grab the other 2 shades, Red Ochre and Venetian Red, and just blend it underneath our under eye. And so I'm gonna set the rest of my face real quick with my usual MAC Studio Fix pressed powder in the shade MW50. I have realized when I was doing my eyebrows, because for like my eyebrow gel that I usually use is the Anastasia Clear Eyebrow Gel, and I had it in like the sample size. Like, use my points when I noticed that your points at Sephora expire now. So I'm like, well, let me use those points when I went to King of Prussia the day after Christmas, and it's running out. Now I should really like that eyebrow gel, so there's that going on. I have to buy a big one. And I ran out my favorite concealer, the NARS Rated Creamy Concealer. That's like my skin tone shade. I like to have one concealer that's my skin tone shade. So like if I want like not as bright under eye. And I have my new one. My MAC Studio Fix Fluid Foundation is running out also. My skincare part 2, step 2 is running out also. And I already ordered that, and I'm like, whatever. I do like a product video of like all the stuff that I usually use normally. But yeah, but back to the eyes. Let's finish the face. I don't remember how I finished this face, honestly. It's been a minute. Maybe highlights, I'll be using a little bit of MAC Gold Deposit. I think I used this. I don't remember what I used. I should have wrote down what I used. And I did it twice too, which is ironic. Just a little bit of that. I don't like too gold. Yeah, I'm gonna mix highlighters. So I'm about to be extra beaming for no reason today. Bits of Urban Decay 8-hour Urban Decay Afterglow 8-hour powder highlighter in the shade Sin. This is a very powdery highlight, by the way, so if you don't like powdery highlights, then don't reach for it. But I really, oh shoot, oh, that made it worse. Tone that down a little bit with some leftover powder on my brush. I don't want to be like extra beaming today. Blush today, I will be using Colourpop's Holiday, which is like a peachy color, and Swift and Holiday. Mix them together. I'm always mixing something with Holiday. No, I'm always mixing something with Swift. I have noticed that. I've been doing that lately. Because I don't want like too bright, you know what I mean? My brow bone with cold deposit, because with the Spectrum A16 brush, I realize I don't really tell you guys what videos, like I realize in my videos I don't really tell you guys what brush I'm using. I just go on with my day. And I should tell you guys what brush I'm using, but I keep on forgetting. So that's the reason why. Like, oh yeah, for highlight I use the e.l.f. highlighter brush, and for blush I use the e.l.f. blush brush. So y'all, for the inner corner, personally I like to like use the whatever highlights in here. I'm gonna use the shade Primavera, this shade right here. Grab a little bit, I learned my mistake, and just there you go. I just realized I didn't put on mascara. So mascara that I used then, I know was the Maybelline Big Shot mascara. But then I have brownish brown, brownish black, but I have black now. So we're just gonna use that. So for setting spray, we will use my usual, the Urban Decay De-Slick setting spray. I'm gonna change my setting spray once, because my face was done matte. Oh my god. Should have learned my lesson last time. So, my wig is kind of like not cooperating. Like the ankle right here. I don't know. But final look so far. Earrings is from a new friend. Shout out to Amira. Today for gloss, I'm just going with Fenty Glow Gloss. I feel like I put on a different gloss, but I just like my natural lips with this look. So, Fenty Gloss. And I wore it yesterday. But this is the final look, you guys. Look at this eye. Look at that eye. It's like a fun makeup look. I was gonna do like a peach makeup look since it's like spring break, and I think like peach for spring break and whatever, but I was like, I remember doing this look for Christmas and I did it twice and I never recorded, so let me just do this for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video. I'm sorry that I didn't really show my personality a lot in this video because I have a lot going on in my brain. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you possibly in my next video.